Namaste guys, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back. As you may already know, this place is Deomali and it is the highest mountain peak of Odisha. It's not just the highest peak of Odisha, but it is also close to Similiguda, which is the coldest place in Odisha. The lowest temperature recorded here was 2 degrees. Deomali hills are simply just incredible. The views are breathtaking and beautiful, and words are simply not just enough to describe its beauty. What I like the most about Deomali is the sea of clouds. As you can see, the expanded formation of clouds which make the mountains look like as if they are floating is so pleasant to watch and experience. This phenomenon is not something that you see every day. Deomali is also one of the few places where you feel like visiting it over and over again. Not sure why, maybe it's just because of the love towards mountains, or those ups and downs, or those curves, the Ghat road curves, the temperature and many more. Overnight camping here at Deomali is another unforgettable lifetime experience. However, recently we were not allowed to stay overnight due to some restrictions by the local authorities. Felt really sad and disappointing, but it is what it is. Part of life. Anyways. Best time to visit this place is obviously during the winter season, especially during the early hours, and if you're lucky enough, you may witness the rare cloud formation phenomenon. If you're planning to visit Deomali and if you're from Andhra or coming via Vizag, I'd recommend the Mamidipalli-Kotia route. Couple of reasons. First thing is the distance. It's just 49 kilometers to Deomali via Kotia compared to 75 kilometers to Deomali via Pottangi Ghat road. Second reason is you'd come across several hidden waterfalls, beautiful landscapes and stunning mountain views. I've uploaded a video recently of these hidden unexplored waterfalls in my channel. Please check it out if you haven't. And if you're watching this video for the first time, you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And guys, most important, please avoid plastic and please do not litter. Watch the video till the end if you can, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It really means a lot. Thank you for your time and support.